Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aini Batisha binti Ramli and I will present about policy thrust to optimize, build and maintain the use of transport infrastructure, services and network to maximize efficiency. And for my part, I will present about strategy 6, which is modernize integrated logistics to reduce the cost of doing business. A company can implement major strategic changes and improve operational efficiency with an automated, cost-effective logistics system. It also increases scalability, decreases manual error, and takes a proactive approach to customer satisfaction. So, based on this strategy, this is what it needs to achieve. First is reduce cost of doing business for transport-related activities. Becoming more flexible in your mode of transportation can help offset costs in ways that you might not have considered. Shipping freight by sea is usually less expensive than by air, but the time it takes might be costing you sales. Keep an eye on transportation costs for different modes and don't be afraid to make the switch. Intermodal transportation is another option that shippers might not have considered if they have traditionally relied on single mode. Rail transport is usually less expensive than trucking, but a combination of two might be the best way to stay in budget and on time. Next is position Malaysia as a regional distribution center. We need to improve language, capability, level, and connectivity. So we need to be ready. Export is going to be quite huge for Malaysia, and we need to compete very fast. Governments are noting the importance of this role and have been doing out incentives to attract shipping lines to their port. But with incentives being a dime a dozen in the region, there is a need to rethink how Malaysia can be better attract the lines to local ports. If we make the reliable services available in Malaysia, in terms of connectivity, logistics, capabilities like warehousing and ensuring that our ports are up to date, then I think we can create a more attractive pull factor in making Malaysia a logistic center. Malaysia is connected to Singapore and Thailand on land, and we have a rail link coming up as well. And we have a world-class warehousing facility to serve the industry. We will not only bring in manufacturing business that will boost the local economy, this will also host the highly lucrative regional hubbing business, which will see a rise in transshipment cargo. With a little innovation in the incentive that are provided, Malaysia could potentially take the lead. For example, retailers such as Daiso Industry has chosen to locate its regional distribution center for popular household products to Malaysia. The center is part of Daiso business expansion strategy to streamline their logistic operation for the Southeast Asia and Middle East region. And the last one is facilitate seamless movement of goods. Trains are the most fuel-efficient method of transporting goods across land. Trains are 2 to 4 times more efficient at transporting freight than conventional trucks, depending on the cargo. And a single freight train can carry the equivalent of 280 truckloads. KTM Cargo provides cargo services that are safe and reliable with a network that is highly accessible from seaport and inland container, as well as urban and rural areas. It is a cost-effective way to move your goods. Cargo services are suitable for high-risk material as it comes complete with insurance coverage. That's it from me. Thank you.